Deepak is joining us live as we get you more details of the entire story. Now, Deepak, when it comes to the BJP and the JDS, they are raising questions on the timing. They are also indicating that these videos were deliberately leaked and there must be an investigation into the allegation that it was possibly done by a few members of the Congress party. Now, this is what the JDS and the BJP are doing when they faced heat from the Karnataka government. On the ground, tell us what is the sentiment, and when these allegations have surfaced, how is the Congress planning to firefight?
Well, firstly, of course, now these videos leaked just before the elections. There was about a few days to go before Hassan went into elections. That was on the 26th during the second phase, where 14 constituencies in the state of Karnataka voted. And that's when some of the videos internally surfaced. At that point in time, there was no SIT that was formed. There were no victims or there was no FIR. All of this, of course, happened after the election. But there were talks about this. So how the voter really perceived this is a question that definitely comes up. Following which, of course, the government decided to form an SIT. Now we've also seen the suspension of Mr. Prajwal Revanna and the politics that has played out with the allegation now that has surfaced on the Congress of whether there is any politics that they are playing over this particular matter. They are saying, well, this is with regard to the safety of women, and this is a NDA ally who's now been caught in the act, and action should be taken against him. And the Congress is only doing its job as running the government in the state of Karnataka. We'll really have to see with now the suspension as well coming to the fore after Prajwal Revanna returns from his trip abroad, and whether there's going to be any sort of intimation for him to return immediately from the SIT, how in terms of investigation, how this proceeds, and whether there's more trouble coming the way of the sitting MP from Hassan, who of course has contested once again. That remains to be seen.
So also, Deepak, does the Congress government have any information, or does the police establishment in Karnataka have information about Prajwal Revanna's whereabouts? Is he planning to come back anytime soon?
Well, now, as far like I mentioned, his exit from the country was just before the FIR or before the SIT was formed. Now, how many days was his schedule? Whether he's been extending it, whether he has any intentions, this is something that, of course, we are waiting for a response from the investigative agencies. But definitely at this point in time, once he does land in the country, there is a lot of answering to do for the Hassan MP there.
All right, so Congress and JDS workers too. Deepak is getting us live updates, but let's also tell you what happened in Hubballi earlier today. Congress and JDS workers clashed, and this is how that ruckus played out. This was at a time when the JDS was holding a meeting to decide on the suspension of Prajwal Revanna. Watch what happened.
Right after the JDS's core committee meeting, a fight has ensued between JDS and Congress workers. Yes, Congress workers landed at a Denison hotel where JDS core committee meeting is happening, and the police are the only ones who trying to stop both the parties fighting against each other. And we can see from here both the parties came face to face. Sir, क्या protest है? क्यों आए थे आप लोग यहाँ पे?
हम लोग प्रचंड होने का वास्ता आया, प्रचंड लोग अत्याचार कर दिया, इस वास्ते प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आया।
पुलिस कह रही है कि आपके पास परमिशन नहीं है।
परमिशन है तो उन लोग आए ना, उस वास्ते हम प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आया।
प्रभुत्व है, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, प्रजा प्रभुत्व है, वो सेक्स स्कैंडल लग रहे हैं, उनको क्या भी नहीं कर नहीं है, उनको क्या भी कुछ भी राइट्स नहीं है, उन्हें कहीं को मीटिंग कर रहा है इधर, मीटिंग नहीं करना उन्हें। अब डेमोक्रेसी है, प्रजा प्रभुत्व है।
सस्पेंड किया उन्होंने आज,
सस्पेंड किया तो उन्हें
फॉरेन भेजते हैं उसको, फॉरेन को भेजते हैं उसको, शर्म नहीं आता उसको, पार्टी लोग को शर्म नहीं आ रहे।
You can see the angry Congress workers who burst into the JDS's core committee meeting, and here JDS workers agitated over the Congress workers' protest, and they are shouting slogans. Just be quick across to the them.
क्या हुआ? ये सर उधर अंदर आके झगड़ा करते हुए देवड़ को धिक्कार बोलते
नहीं, प्रोटेस्टिंग हम नहीं कर रहे हैं। जो आदमी लोगों को परमिशन नहीं दिया गया था, कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग इधर आके हमारे ऊपर पूरा जुल्म करने लगे, और हमारे ऊपर लोग पूरा के पूरा अपने तरफ से नारा लगाने लगे। इसलिए हम शांत से बैठे हुए हैं, उसका प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं।